My name is Sean Brott. I'm a mechanical engineer. I work part-time as a fly fishing guide and instructor. I teach a lot of classes in the summer.
On the porch sits Uncle Joe, and he's been watching cars go by for 20 years. And who's to know what keeps him?
One of my students once told me that he liked to fly fish because it takes him to beautiful places.
And Auntie May can't pull him away to give us some attention. Life goes
One of the things I think that really stands out for Douglas County, but with having the Deckers and Cheeseman Canyon being part of it, is we have such a premier trout fishery so close to a major metropolitan area that offers a fantastic opportunity for anglers, and it's a thing that we really need to embrace and enjoy.
If you must go, just let me give you one smile to carry you a short while down the road. I understand the ground is burning beneath your feet. This town is full of dead-end streets whose names grow.
The Hayman Fire overall was the fire that started on June 8th in 2002. It's actually the largest fire we've ever had in Colorado history.